Every interviewer want to see at least one project in your resume. That feature is already available in the internet. So what's new over there? Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good and great. Today in this video, I will be going to discuss about what is the importance of college project. Yes, I know that there is a lot of misconception is there in the market regarding this college project. That what will be the college project, what will be the team size of the project, which technology should I choose. There is a lot of misconception about the college project, or how this college project is going to help me in my resume. A lot of question is there regarding college project. So today in this video I am going to describe about every question, and I will clear every doubt that is there regarding college project in your mind. So without wasting your time, let's get start with the video. And there is a bonus point at the end of the video, so don't miss the end of the video. So the first question that is coming in your mind, that is, what is the importance of this project? Okay, suppose after 3 years, after 3.5 years of your college, you have seated for a placement drive. And when you are sitting for a placement drive, at that time you have done a lot of DSA, you have also entered into the world of CP, and you have good problem solving skill. Okay, you have this skill. And now suppose you don't have any project in your resume. So here the interviewer first focus on your problem solving ability, that is DSA and CP, and they will be interested in your project, because at the end of the day, suppose you are selected, then when you will go in a company, at that time inside the company you will be doing some project, because in company you will not be practicing DSA, you will not be practicing CP. You need to build something, that may be a web application, that may be a Android application, that may be a iOS application. That is not the factor. Here the factor is you are not doing this kind of small little bit of problem solving. What you are doing, you are just entering into a big code base, and here you are implementing your DSA concept, and you are building something new feature that is inside a project. That is project, that is not DSA, that is not CP. You are using the concept of DSA and CP, but that is project. So at the end of the day, inside the company you will be doing the project. So when the company will be hiring you, at that time they will see your DSSCP skill, but then also they will be looking for the project, because what you have done as a project, what is your contribution inside that project, what technology you have used, what problem you have faced. This kind of thing is important inside a project. So they will definitely want to see one project, at least one project in your resume when you are going for an interview. Suppose you have done an internship, so at that time inside that internship, inside that company, you have already done some project. So at that time your personal project is not so much important, because you have experience in an industry of doing some projects. So at that time your personal project will be not so much important. But if you don't have any internship experience, at that time one personal project is mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory in your resume to be shortlisted in good company. So at least one project in your resume is very much important. It will carry a bunch of extra point to your resume. Now, the next thing is, okay, I know that one project is very much important. So there are a lot of resources in the internet. They are building a lot of project, and we can directly copy paste all those project in our code editor. Then like little bit of up and down, then I will build a feature, and then I will just show in my resume that yes, I have built that. I can copy everything from the internet. Yes, when you are building a project, that is possible. In internet, there is a lot of resources is there regarding project. But always when you are giving an interview, always take one point in your mind, that is that interviewer is much smarter than you. That interviewer taking huge number of interviews, and you are giving 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 interviews. So definitely those interviewer are more experienced than you in this field, so they will be able to recognize whether you have copy pasted that features from internet or you have built everything by your own, or what they will be able to guess at least what you have done. And they are very experienced, they are super smart, so I think they will guess the correct one. So don't do that kind of thing that directly blindly you are copy pasting the code from the internet and you are doing some building some features and you are just doing all those things in your project. Okay. So when you are building a project, that it is necessary, you will face problem, you will search for the code in the internet and you will copy from there, but there should be some unique features that will make your project unique. Yes, unique features is much important. So when you are building some projects, some key point that you will consider, that is, don't blindly copy paste the code from the internet, because the interviewer are much smarter than you. They have taken a lot of interview. It may happen that what code you have copied, someone already copied that, someone already told that I have built that, and the interviewer already know that yes, it is available in the internet, and you are also telling the same thing, the same feature in the interview. At that time it will be one of the negative points for you. Yes, it will be a negative point for you if the interviewer got that you copied everything from internet. So when you are building some project, so that need to be something unique. Yes, now looking for a unique idea, it's very tough. Yes, looking for a unique idea is really very tough. But it may happen that you are building some casual website that is already available in the internet, but inside that website you are giving some unique features over there, by which you can tell the interviewer that yes, that is already available in the market, that is happening over there, but in that market project this is the problem I have seen, and I have tried to solve that problem in my project. So these are the unique features, or these are the aim of our project. So at that time the interviewer will think that yes, you have the coding skill, you have the skill to find some problem, some edge cases inside that, inside a project. You have already experienced of and solved that problem, so you are kind of a good candidate for them. Yes, that will be the mindset of the interviewer. So when you are building some project, definitely it will have at least one unique feature. Now, the next question is, will I do Android development? Will I do web development? Will I enter into the world of machine learning? Or will I do iOS development? What kind of project I will do in our college days? Here, the answer is, when the interviewer is taking interview, at that time they will not see in which field you have done your project. In most of the cases, in more than 90% of the cases, they will not see your field, because inside the company some different thing is happening. So when you will go there, you need to learn the new language, you need to learn or familiar with those new framework technology, and you need to work on that technology. So when the interviewer is taking the interview, they will not at all see that in which technology you have built. They will only see what you have built, what is your thought process, what you are thinking, this kind of thing, what is the uniqueness of your project. So here there is not that kind of barrier that I need to only do the project in web development, or I will only do the project in Android development. Try to find your strong area, which inspire you the most, which give you more pleasure, and in which technology you are more comfortable, and do the project on that technology. Find something related to that technology. Here language technology, I think that will not play a very vital role in the interview. You can choose any language, you can choose any technology, you can choose any project, but that should have some unique features that you will be able to tell the convince the interviewer that if I have built that and that is not available. Now the last point is, a lot of engineering student will think that yes, there is a final year project, in fourth year we need to build one good final year project for our college, and it is possible that I will show that final year project in my interview. Yes, that is possible. If you build only one project, that is good, and it is a final year project, you will be able to told the interviewer that yes, I have built. But when I was in my fourth year, I faced one problem, that is the company will visit in your college before starting the final year project journey. Yes, it's happened in my case. When we get the instruction of building one final year project, before that instruction, a lot of company has already visited. A lot of company will come before the final year project completion. So you need to keep that point in your mind that you need to build something in your third year. Yes, if you build something in your third year, then in fourth year you will be able to convince that to the interviewer. And if you think that yes, at the end of the fourth year I will build one final year project and that project I will tell the interviewer, yes, that is possible, but in most of the cases the hiring or the campusing will be happen before that final year project. So before building the final year project, you need to build some project by your own, in your own responsibility. That will help, because at the end it will happen that one company is visiting and there is nothing in my resume. There is no project is there. So at that time, very quickly you will build one project in 1 or 2 days, and the quality of the project will not be too good. So in this situation, you need to build the project previously from your third year or from your seventh semester. That is a good practice before sitting for a placement drive. Now, the last bonus point, that is what kind of question I can get from the college in the interview. Yes, there are some common questions we can expect from the interviewer regarding the project. What are those common questions? Those common questions are like what you have done, the first question. The second question is that project is already available in the internet. So what unique feature is there? That question is asked. Now the next question that may be asked, that is what technology you have used. The next question is why you use this technology. Suppose you have done your project in Java, or in web technology you have used React.js. So now the interviewer will ask why React.js, why not AngularJS, why you have used React.js, what is the plus point of using React.js. So that kind of question you may get, that why you use this technology for your project, why you choose this problem for your project. So this kind of question you may get. Now the most vital question is what problem you have faced and how you overcome that problem. Yes, that question you may expect that in most of the cases, more than 80% of the cases, you will face that problem, that what problem you have faced in your project and how you solve that problem. What was your role inside that project, what you have done, how you communicated with your team members, because when you are going in the company at that time you need to communicate with your team member regarding the project, because the project size is huge. So at that time they will also want to know that how you communicate with your team members in the project. So these are the pre-planned questions that you may expect from the interviewer. So be prepared with all of these questions. You will definitely get some of the question from here, from project. So I hope you have got a clear understanding about project, that what kind of project I need to build, what is the value of project in our resume, or what kind of question I need to prepare for one project in an interview. So I hope each and every of your doubt has been resolved. Now, if you have some more doubt, you can directly talk with me. My LinkedIn profile is there in the description, or you can comment out your problem. I will definitely come to you. And if you like the video, please like it. And if you are new to my channel and if you want to see this face again and again and again, then definitely subscribe my channel. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye for this time. Bye.